What's interesting about highly intelligent people is that they rarely look the way we expect. Most of us imagine a high IQ person as obviously brilliant, constantly talking, solving complex problems, or showing off knowledge. But psychology research suggests something very different. People with extremely high intelligence often show subtle habits that don't immediately look like intelligence. Cognitive psychologists say intelligence isn't just about what you know. It's about how your brain processes the world, and that processing shows up through everyday behaviors. Here are 10 surprisingly common habits found in people with very high IQ. The first habit is spending a lot of time alone. Highly intelligent people are usually comfortable with solitude, not because they dislike others, but because their minds are constantly processing ideas. Solitude gives the prefrontal cortex, the brain area responsible for planning, reflection, and complex thinking, space to work. Research from the London School of Economics even found that highly intelligent individuals tend to feel less satisfied with frequent social interaction. Their brains simply need quiet thinking time. The second habit is constant curiosity. People with high IQ naturally ask questions about almost everything, not just big philosophical questions, but small everyday ones. Why do people behave this way? Why does this system work like that? Their brain is always searching for patterns. Curiosity becomes a mental engine that keeps their thinking moving. The third habit is talking to themselves. Psychologists call this self-directed speech. Studies show it can improve focus and cognitive control. Speaking thoughts out loud helps the brain organize ideas and strengthen working memory. So when someone quietly narrates their own thinking, it may actually be a sign of an active mind at work. The fourth habit is being comfortable saying, "I don't know." Highly intelligent people often understand the limits of their knowledge. In psychology, this connects to the Dunning-Kruger effect, the tendency for less knowledgeable people to overestimate what they know. Highly intelligent individuals often do the opposite. They recognize how complex the world really is. The fifth habit is overthinking small things. Analytical minds rarely switch off. The same mental processes that help solve complex problems can also lead to deeply analyzing conversations, decisions, or possibilities. From the outside, this may look like indecision, but internally the brain is exploring multiple scenarios at once. The sixth habit is a strong sense of humor. Humor requires complex cognitive processing. The brain must recognize patterns, break expectations, and connect unrelated ideas. Studies in intelligence research show a measurable link between higher IQ and advanced humor processing. The seventh habit is changing their minds when new evidence appears. Highly intelligent people treat beliefs as flexible models rather than fixed identities. When new information appears, their thinking adapts. Psychologists call this cognitive flexibility, a key marker of advanced problem solving. Now think about how often we misinterpret these behaviors. Someone who spends time alone may seem antisocial. Someone who asks many questions may seem skeptical. Someone who changes their mind may seem uncertain. But sometimes these are actually signs of deeper thinking. The eighth habit is late-night thinking. Many high IQ individuals report being more mentally active at night. Some researchers suggest that people with greater cognitive flexibility adapt more easily to non-traditional routines like staying awake later. The ninth habit is observing more than speaking. Instead of immediately responding in conversations, highly intelligent people often watch social dynamics first. They gather information, read emotional signals, and respond thoughtfully. And the 10th habit is a constant search for meaning. High intelligence often brings a deeper awareness of complexity in society, relationships, and human behavior. This leads to ongoing reflection about purpose, identity, and why people think the way they do. Because in the end, intelligence isn't just about solving problems or remembering facts. At its core, intelligence is curiosity, a mind that keeps exploring patterns, questioning assumptions, and trying to understand the strange puzzle of human nature.